Today you will join me to study the Calwood Soil Series. As we enter the South Fork boat ramp, we cannot forget the $5 parking permit, which I definitely haven't done before. All of the runoff, which comes from fields adjacent to my soil series, will be shown at the end. Runoff leading to this high water will come from agriculture fields surrounding my soil series. Flooding can also lead to very unsafe boat rides when doing your soil project. Stunts like this should be left to the professionals. As we begin to walk up the hill, notice not only the best research shoes ever used, which are Crocs, but the plants such as oaks, hickories, shrubs, and other hardwood forest native species. These species benefit from the productive Calwood series. With the mean annual temperature of 53 degrees, the rolling hardwood ridges benefit greatly. On top of the rolling hardwoods ridge, you can see how the lake has settled hundreds of feet over time. This site has a gradual slope of 1 to 5%. What a perfect setting for the less parent material. Now here we have a video of me taking all the water out of the hole from the previous day where I tried to film this video. All of this water shows how much of a poor water capacity and infiltration the soil has. Well, after a solid 1 hour of digging this gigantic hole, I have a horizon to show you guys. First, it's the A horizon. Now the A horizon is the silt loam that the Calwood series is named after, and when you do a ribbon and texture it, you can tell it's obviously a silt loam. It's way different than what's down there by the lake. You know, the ribbon wants to break, color it, let's see. So that's more of a grayish brown, and after coloring that, I'd say it's a Timoir 4-2, and that's the A horizon. Down below is the E horizon, which is, I would say, has a little bit more clay in it. It's still a silty loam, but when you texture it, the ribbon, it sticks together way better than the top 4-6 inches. Down here, you can tell it's starting to get down into clay. And then after coloring this, it's more of a solid brown. There's not much gray in it. The color of this is Timoir 5-3. Now this is only about 12 to 18 inches down, but below this would be the B horizon, which would be, I think, for us 2 to 3 more feet down. And here is a giant hole I found, demonstrating poor infiltration from also the previous day's rain. On the way out, I couldn't help but notice erosion from the previous day's rain. Over many years, this drainage has been created due to this erosion. As we reach the boat, we quickly realize a raft of grass and driftwood is approaching. Now that isn't ideal, is it? After risking my life for this project, we finally left the site. After leaving the lake, I drive around to the south of my forest site, which is a pasture. Evidence of soil compaction and runoff into the lake was evident as I drove by.